YouTube family, this is A-Rod A Millie, and today I'm gonna be getting a haircut and changing my hair from red to blue. First things first, cutting my hair, we got Alex Sierra, and on the beat, thank you to all my subscribers, my YouTube family that are here every time I upload a video. Thank you guys. I chose the color blue because you guys were asking for it. If you want to see another hair color, make sure you comment below what color you want me to dye my hair next, and I will do so. If you're a new subscriber or you just landed on this video and you like this video and the content that I create, make sure you leave a thumbs up where I can see it and ring the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. This is A-Rod A Millie, and enjoy this video. Peace. To stay up to date on everything I do on the daily basis, you can follow me on all my social media platforms. I'm gonna leave it down below at AROD23PR. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. He's using the A Millie blade holder. Yeah. You can find this at www.elegancegel.com. I'm gonna leave all the links down below for all the accessories and all the products used on this video. Special coming soon. It'll be my best video ever. Meister. And just like that, my hair is blue. We got Philip on the shears. He's gonna do the hair color later. I'ma show you. I'ma show you. I'ma show you. And I want a dry look, so I'm gonna go with the Elegance matte paste. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you can get yours today. love all my subscribers. That's why I'm doing the 1 million special. I'm cooking it. It's fire.
Meister.
Stop. Thank you everybody for watching this video. This is A Millie. Hit that like button, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification so you can get notified every time I upload a video. I'll see you at 1 million subscribers special. Goodbye.